Some of the smartest people I know are still broke, and it has nothing to do with how much they earn.
Today, we're going to uncover the hidden reason smart, capable people never seem to get ahead financially, and why it's all in their psychology, not their income. Maybe this sounds familiar. You earn well, pay your bills, and yet at the end of the month, nothing seems left. You know the right choices: saving, investing, planning, but somehow it never sticks. You start thinking, maybe I'm just bad with money. But here's the truth. You're not bad. You're trapped in a behavioral pattern that's controlling your financial decisions without you realizing it. Psychologists call this the scarcity mindset. It's the mental pattern where your brain prioritizes short-term relief over long-term security, even when you know better. This isn't about laziness or ignorance. It's your nervous system reacting to what it learned about money, often decades ago. Most of our money habits begin in childhood. Maybe money was always scarce in your home, or talking about it caused tension, or your parents were overworked, anxious, or stressed about finances. Your brain learned an unspoken rule. Money is dangerous. Stability is temporary. Wanting more is selfish. And now, decades later, this pattern silently shapes every financial choice you make. This pattern shows up in ways you might not notice. Emotional spending on things that make you feel better temporarily. Avoiding savings because it triggers anxiety. Constantly comparing yourself to others. Procrastinating investments or financial planning. Feeling guilty when you earn more than expected. These aren't bad habits. They're survival mechanisms, your brain's way of keeping you safe. Here's the trap. Most people try to fix this problem with a technical solution. More apps, more spreadsheets, more rules. But technical solutions can't fix a behavioral problem. Until you understand why your brain is wired this way, nothing changes. So what's the solution? It's not extreme discipline. Start by asking, what emotion am I trying to regulate with money? Are you buying to feel safe, to feel worthy, to avoid stress, to impress others? Once you can see the emotional pattern, you can make small, conscious choices that align with long-term stability. Financial security doesn't come from forcing yourself to save more. It comes from making your brain feel safe around money. When your nervous system trusts, money won't disappear. Thus, impulsive spending stops. You start making consistent, calm financial decisions. Saving becomes automatic, not stressful. The behavior changes naturally, without willpower wars. You don't need to become a money person. You just need to stop fighting your own psychology. Understanding your patterns is the first step. And when you do, money stops feeling heavy. It becomes neutral. And that's when real progress begins. If this made sense to you, remember, you're not broken. You've just been following rules your brain learned long ago. Stay curious. Watch our next videos, and I'll show you how to untangle these patterns so your money finally starts working for you, not against you.